Hi, my name's Dennis and I'm starting a new channel called K.S.M. K.S.M stands for Curbside Motors. I've been repairing cars for the last 30 years by the side of the road, usually just outside my house, but that's it. It'll be older cars, and basically hopefully you'd learn some tips about how to do it without having to pay loads of money. Other than that, please like and subscribe. I want to build this channel. Maybe a couple of months time I'll have, let's say, we'll start at 1,000 subscribers. Then we'll see how it goes. But I'm also looking for you, the people out there, to tell me what sort of things you would like done on the cars that I have. And I will show you how to do it. Even if I don't need to do it, I'll show you how it's done. All right, thank you.